Is a new video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a PlayStation Network in PlayStation 4. So please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's start. The first thing you gotta do is create a new user. As you see, I have some users, but I have to create one. Then, as I've done, like create a user, then this is the policy and the things that user agreement has to read, but I actually don't read them, so accept them, and then the PlayStation Network sign will appear. Then we'll click next. If you don't have don't have an account, you have to create a one like this. You have to click create an account. So you have to put your region and day of birth. Okay, like after you've done the things I've done, like the date of birth and these, you'll have to click. You have to click next with the X button on here. Then you'll have to put your city, and after you put your postcode and the city and those, you have to put your ID or email address, like I'll put mine. Then the password of the PlayStation, not the email address. And then you have to put the sorry, you'll have to put the password again. Then you have these two. You can if you have you can have it on the PlayStation 4 or receive via email. I'll I'll give you something يعني to put it on receive via email, because it's the easiest thing. Now after I put these, you'll have to click next on your console and the X button. So wait for me until I've done that. Important thing I have to say: when you're putting your email address and the password, in the password you have to the password contains at least 8 characters, and those things like the symbols like the question mark or the exclamation mark or the things like this, a number, a big letter, an upper letter and a lowercase letter, and things like this, you know. So after I'll put my password, I'll show you what's gonna do next. Now as you can see here, we're still like on the beginner thing, you know. We still are on the quarter of the PlayStation network. So after we'll do this, I'll come back to you. Okay, so after you do your password and via email and those things, you'll have to put any profile picture you want. There are from here, and there are the old things. Now, after you put all of these, I'll show you what will happen. After you put your profile picture, you have to do the things. If you want, just like if you want the list of these things, just like put anything, any name, anything, and if it get an error, you can choose one of them, like the I don't know. Then you have to put your first name and the last name, and then the online ID. If you want, you can choose one of them, like this one, the first one. You will put the first word in here, and then like this. So if you put another things, this won't work. And then the privacy summary, no one reads it. Okay, continue. Then all of these you can change them if you want, and then all of these the same, all of these the same. Okay. PlayStation Network terms of service. That's the terms of service. Okay, you have to accept the terms of service. You just put the accept thing over here. You know, this thing. Click X on it and like enter it. And after you wait a while, it's gonna take a little bit while, but it's okay. Here. that's my account. It's successfully created. Before you have to verify your email address. If you cannot verify, you can do anything else. But you can. If you're already verified or you already had this account, you just click on the already or verified. And if you don't have an account, just click cannot verify um like this. Wait. Okay. On this, you can change your sign in ID or resend email. Okay. Then when they are sending, you go and check on the thing you on the account or something. I'm not gonna show you. Okay, so after you opened your device, you will have to go to the Gmail. Where is the Gmail? The Gmail in here. Maybe wait. Oh, change to the account you've done, or you put شو اسمه on the PlayStation Network on. Okay, as you can see, I've done. Wait. Either. Okay, I've done something wrong. That's why they didn't say they didn't. You have to put your Gmail, like put one of your Gmail, and then they will send you a notification code. Okay, they will send it in here. But because I've done something, um, it's because I didn't put the numbers of the HADA. So I'll be back later. Okay, so after I've done my here, it's EDAMR 45. I'll just click on next. Okay, just don't fall for the this thing I made. Okay, so when they'll send me, um, let's just wait a second. Okay, wait a second. It's gonna take a while, a little bit. Why? But when they send, if this thing has here, خلاص, just press OK and everything will be done. And I don't know if that's everything. Let me check. Okay. And here, after you've done, you'll have your new account. Thanks, and that's if it didn't sign into PlayStation Network, just look what I did. Okay, so look at my menu. As you can see, my menu, it's saying that the PlayStation Network is not working. So you'll head to the anything you want. Just sorry. Just like press X on this thing in here. Press X, or just do like do like this. Okay, on your controller. And when you're done, you can do it by the QR code or sign it manually. You'll have to put the same password you put as your PlayStation Network join, and you'll have the complete PlayStation Network.